Good afternoon. We're going to keep going in our ukulele series by learning 4 intermediate chords, moderately difficult chords. Now I know that you may still be working on strumming or on finger picking or on one of our 4 basic chords, and that's totally fine. This is just for the future. Whenever you get really good at those and you want to do something else, you can learn these. Now, like our first 4 chords, the C, A minor, F, and G7, these 4 chords will also share some fingers, share some notes. Sometimes there will be 4 different notes, sometimes just 3 different notes, and like I said before, that's okay. And we're going to start with one called A major. Now, if you remember, A minor was just a finger on that 2nd fret of the top string, just like that. And it sounded like this. Okay? Well, A major isn't much different. You're going to keep that finger there, then you're going to take your index finger, and you're going to put it on the 1st fret of our 2nd string, of our C string. Okay, let me see if I can get it. Nope, that's not good. So yeah, I guess this is the best way. So, 2nd fret of our top string, 1st fret of our middle string. And that turns it into an A major chord, like this. Okay? So that's our first chord for today, A major. You'll notice, like I said before, we only have 3 different notes, right? Okay. Now our next chord is going to be F sharp minor. You're going to keep these 2 fingers here just like they were for A major. And you're going to add your ring finger right there on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string down. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. So top string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret. This is actually the same finger position as the G7 chord, just all your fingers are moved up 1 string. Okay? And that sounds like this. So you hear the common notes between the A major chord and the F sharp minor. We're just changing that one note. Now, this next one's a little bit tricky because you have to kind of adjust your finger position. Okay? So we're from F minor here. We're going to move on to a D major chord. Okay? So first off, your middle finger is going to stay right where it is. Okay? Sorry, I don't want to do that. Now you're going to take your ring finger and put it right underneath on the 2nd fret there, and then your pinky and put that right underneath your ring finger. So all 3 of your fingers are kind of in a line. Okay? That's our D major chord again. So far, these A notes, the top and bottom string, haven't changed. It's just been the middle 2 strings that have changed, right? So we have so that A has stayed the same the whole time. Okay, so A major, F sharp minor, D major. Now we're moving on to an E7 chord. Now again, you have to adjust your fingers entirely for this one, so it's a little bit harder to do. Well, that's why these are the little more advanced chords. So from our D, basically, nothing is going to stay the same. So we're going to start fresh with no fingers on. Take your index finger, put it on the 1st fret of your top string there, okay? Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret there of your 2nd string. We're going to skip that 3rd string. We're not putting any fingers on it, and then our ring finger is going on the 2nd fret of our bottom string, okay? So from top to bottom, it's the 1st fret, 2nd fret, an open string, and then 2nd fret again, and it sounds. So we have 4 different notes, right? Okay, 4 different notes for our E7 chord, just like for our G7 chord, had 4 different notes. And all together, that sounds like this. those four in that order. Okay, so it's A major, F sharp minor, D, and then E7. And back to A major. Okay, like I said, these are more advanced. I will be doing a third video of like some really advanced things. I haven't quite decided which chords I want to do for that just yet. But but I hope you are enjoying playing the ukulele. I hope you're practicing, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great afternoon.